Safely clean, polish, and protect with Flitz liquid polish. Say goodbye to tarnish, rust, water stains, chalking, and lime deposits. Removes heat discoloration, lead and powder residue, oxidation, fingerprints, tar and tree sap, bugs and bird droppings, graffiti, and more. Use with confidence on aluminum, brass, copper, gold, silver, stainless steel, chrome, nickel, bronze, pewter, and even platinum. Safely use on hot gun bluing, formica, marble, corian, glass, plexiglass, and fiberglass. Flitz liquid polish also restores painted surfaces, not for use on electroplated or patina finishes. Acid-free and non-flammable, non-abrasive Flitz liquid polish is non-toxic, eco-friendly, and contains no ammonia. Don't just polish it, Flitz it.